I want to teach you how to link your WhatsApp to your laptop. You can also connect it to your phone. So when you open your laptop, you click on this start button down here. So if it opens, it's going to show like this. You can see Microsoft Store, you can see WhatsApp, but I'm going to just click on Microsoft Store. So to show you, how to search for WhatsApp or any app at all that you want to download. So you just type on the search bar WhatsApp. Here you can download apps, you can download games or whatever, even movies. So I'm going to just type WhatsApp and it's going to show like this on my screen. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, thank you for tuning in. My name is Blessing. Thank you to my old subscribers for always helping to reach the world with my content. So because I've installed it, click on open. When you click on open on your laptop, it's going to show like this. It's going to load so that you'll be able to access it. So it will tell you welcome to WhatsApp. Just click on get started. When you click on get started, it will show you this. You need to scan this with your phone, so you link that account. So open your WhatsApp on your phone. When you open your WhatsApp on your phone, it will show as it's shown on my screen. So click on these three dots up here. These three dots up here, as you click on it, you will click on linked devices. So this linked devices means the devices that you have linked this your WhatsApp account with. So when you click on linked devices, it's going to open up to a new page where you can be able to link whether your laptop or even another phone. So I'm going to click on link on device. You can link Windows, Mac. So I will use mobile data. So I'll click on use mobile data, and it will tell me to scan this on the other device. I already have shown you the QR code on my laptop, so I'll just scan the QR code and it will log me in automatically. So what this thing is doing is transferring data from my mobile phone to my laptop, so that the messages I receive on my phone, I'll receive it on my laptop. I'll be able to use my laptop to do anything I want to do, even calls. So if you want to disconnect it, this is how you be still the same step. Click on the three dots on your phone WhatsApp, then click on linked devices. When you click on linked device, it will open up and show you. You can see I've linked my Windows, that's my laptop. So I'll just tap it. Once I tap it, you can see tap a device to log out. Once I tap it, it will log out to no longer be linked to this particular WhatsApp account. So this is the way to link your WhatsApp account to your laptop. If you have any questions on this video, you can ask them in the comment section. What's your takeout from this video? Did you enjoy it? Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Thanks.